Hey guys, it's Leanne with Custom Dynamics. Upgrading your bike's turn signals to LED but getting rapid flashing? Custom Dynamics has two easy solutions. First, our signal stabilizer. A plug-and-play, no-load, no-heat solution that balances your turn signals, front and rear, in just minutes. It's a smart, reliable alternative to traditional load equalizers and comes with a lifetime warranty. Or, if your bike has starting issues or glitchy turn signals, it might be time to replace your factory TSM. Our Custom Dynamics TSM replaces the old unit, adds reliability, keeps all safety functions, and works perfectly with LEDs. No need for a stabilizer. And backed by a 3-year warranty. Solve rapid flashing by choosing the best solution for you at CustomDynamics.com.